The Azure Developer CLI is a new CLI that helps you get a complete application up to Azure with a single command in minutes. You can start by going to aka.ms/azd. That will get you to the Get Started page, where you can install the Azure Developer CLI and run sample commands such as azd up to get a complete application deployed to Azure. The Azure Developer CLI community has been creating a bunch of templates, so we wanted a way to organize them. If you go to aka.ms/azd/templates, you'll land on this page. This is the GitHub topic for azd-templates. Anyone can add the Azd templates tag to their repo and it will show up on this page. But the only filtering capability you have on this page is by language. So we wanted to provide a better experience. That new experience looks like this. Go to aka.ms/awesome-azd and you'll land on this new Azd Template Browser. And the team wants to give a special shout out to Nitya, who developed this application over the last couple weeks. As you can see, it's a much better browsing experience for the templates that are Azd compatible. You can use this filter pane here to find templates that meet your needs. For example, if you want to see the Python templates, you click on the Python label. That will filter the list by everything that includes Python. If you want to help out with some templates, just click on the Help Wanted label and see the ones that need help. If you want to contribute your very own template, click on the Contribute Your Template button. That will redirect you to the Awesome-azd issues page. We ask a couple of questions, you submit your repository, we review it, and once it's approved, it will be added to the list. So head on over to aka.ms/awesome-azd to see all the templates, try them out, Azd-devify your applications, and get them submitted to Awesome-azd.